Traders, Zellman here. It's August 28, 2018 after the market close. It's a Tuesday. I'm going to provide another trading report update on ticker symbol NNSR, nanosensors, also known as Green Zebra. Today I posted that she's going to boom. She did. She actually boomed a little before I said she's going to boom again. So I stated she was going to boom when she got to 6.5, but at one point she was trading close to 0.09. Just real, like, for a split second, because it's very volatile at those levels, all right? And then it traded back down at around 0.605. I said it's going to boom. Went to like 7.5 and change, and closed that around 0.007. I thought she was going to close. I wanted to close higher above, but didn't happen. So this is where I said, remember, we need about 10 trading days or less for her to boom. This is what I meant. If you look at my previous tutorials, I said, I might trade sideways, and then she'll boom. Eventually she'll boom. She's going to create the longer term reversal. So we have the shoulder here, one head, this head right here, one shoulder right here, and now another one's being formed right here to match this one. So 9 trading days or less it will happen. 9 trading days or less. I'm looking forward to this. If you guys are long, kudos to you. It's very volatile. You can see once we break those 775 levels, it gets to 8.9s. Tries to chase down the penny. Very easy. It traded at close to 0.09 today, 0.009. I think it was 0.00871 of the highs of the day. So follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher. Keep providing updates on NSR and a couple others. And remember, if you want to learn this trading language, visit my site, thetradingteacher.com. I have live trading courses that's coming up, and it's very interactive. We actually trade while we communicate, and we provide you, I provide you a detailed understanding of the trading language and how it really works. Once again, my name is Zellman, and best of luck to all of you that are in NNSR Green Zebra.